I will talk about how can you disable this sign or know how you can do that on your Talkie app. So you just follow this ways, then it's going to work with you. So all you have to do, you just go down here, click in this sign down here, and you just click on it. Then it's going to take you to your profile. It's going to show for you like this. Then all you have to do now, you just go above this sign, click on it. When you just click on it, it's going to take you to this list. It's going to show for you like this. Then you click here on sorry here creation permission here. Just click on it. To disable it, just click here on property here sorry creation to all my check talkies here. Just click on it. Then it's going to disable with you like you see here when you click on it on your talkies. That's all you have to do. That's all. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by like and subscribe.